How to create a poll on WhatsApp. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have updated the latest version of WhatsApp on your phone so that you won't miss out any features. After that, you can simply open the WhatsApp like you normally do. To create a poll, just go on any WhatsApp group you have. After going on any WhatsApp group, you will now see an interface like this. From here, on the bottom side, you will see there is an attachment icon, and when you tap on this, as the last option, you will see the option of poll, and when you tap on it, now you can simply ask any question. After adding the question, you can now add the options. You can add more options like this. So if your options are only this much, then you can just tap on the send button. And here you see the poll is created. Now the members can simply choose the option. And this is how they can choose the option, and you can view the votes like this. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel.